Of course, it is all irrelevant object relations theory by that British paediatrician Donald Winnicott, who tried to win over the cot in my solipsistic 1950s English-speaking dimension. The mirror universe is just and only that. Each has her own song in this universal one song. The magic bag of my mind has been turned inside out, the outside in of a very golden, grim bird. When all the actors take their final curtain call in this show called My Life, we of the multi-mind can say, what a marvellous, spectacular disappointment it all was once again.